Gaselan DM1, made in Berlin 1954, East Germany. Very solidly made machine, runs on electric. First time it's run for years, no major leaks. Pressure gauge working, no major leaks. It's his first run. She's running beauty. All this gunk coming out that hasn't been used for years. I put steam oil in, I'm running it gently, and I'm going to give it a proper clean. I'm not going to do any restoration on this one, I'm just going to clean it. But what a lovely running engine. Berlin, East Germany, or East Berlin, 1954. Hope you like it, guys. Cheers.